accurate, vigilant, observant, concrete, correct, concise, comprehensive. In the next 5 minutes, I know that I'm going to have my dinner with shahi paneer. That's being made up in kaju की gravy. जब आप जा रहे हो तो लोग आपके जाने पर रोए ना हंसे. मैंने बहुत मेहनत करी और आज तो मैं जोत भी जला रही हूँ. I'm just behaving like a good girl. ये please काट देना.
हो जाएगा. हमारी बात हुई थी 2 दिन पहले, तो उसमें मतलब यू वांटेड टू डिस्कस कि हम क्या बात करेंगे आज, जिसमें मैंने बोला था कि हम लोग प्लान नहीं करते हैं तो अच्छा है. सो यू वांटेड टू टॉक अबाउट पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट.
I wanted to talk about personality development as a whole medium.
Okay.
It has been bifurcated into different parts. Like for suppose I go on with emotional. Personality development includes being emotionally intelligent.
Okay.
मतलब आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके इमोशंस किसके सामने कैसे होने चाहिए. You know, supposedly if there's a child, you should know that you need to behave in a childish manner. Arey, kissa hai beta? Aisa wala types. And if you are in a formal meeting, your emotions should be accurate, vigilant, observant, concrete, correct, concise, comprehensive. And if you are in a family gathering, oh, kidda di galla kar dete ho, this is your. So your emotional intelligence is one factor.
Okay.
And second factor comes your mental stability.
Okay.
आपको अगर कुछ कोई कह रहा है, तो what will you react or you will respond? Reaction is sudden. There's a slight difference. Reaction is someone hits you, it's sudden. It's like that.
Yeah.
Response is someone hits you. क्यों मारा इसने मुझे? मैंने कुछ गलती की होगी. When you think and then you go on with it, with your answerability.
Yeah.
And third comes, which we have already talked about, that is spiritual. You know, cleansing yourself from within. For that, there are a lot of motivational speakers. Gaur Gopal Prabhu is there. The Awakening of Brahmaputri, that's Shivani Bhen is there. ये सब मेरे डैड ने मुझे बताया, जो उनके कहने पर मैं सुनती हूँ. पहले मुझे बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं आता था, मैं बहुत सोचती थी बहुत बोरिंग है. बट इनिशियली जब मैं सुनने लगी तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता था. अब जाके उनकी काफी सारी चीजें मैं कनेक्ट करती हूँ. The fourth one comes your outer version. Appearance. Your appearance when you are going for a meeting. Your appearance when you're going for a marriage. Your appearance when you're sitting home in your joggers or in your shorts. So appearance आपको जगह के हिसाब से ड्रेस अप करना आना चाहिए. बहुत सारी लड़कियां मुझसे डिसएग्री करेंगी जो बोलती है कि क्या कहते हैं, अपनी पसंद के कपड़े पहनूंगी, जो भी जाऊंगी, जहां भी जाऊंगी. But little do they realize, I feel that it's really important to know that if you're going to a temple or a pilgrimage, you need to wear a specific sort of clothing that's been desired for everyone, not just for the girls. I think for the men and for the women, both of them. It's been desired that you need to wear a certain sort of clothing. You cannot go with your shorts in a pilgrimage. जो जाते हैं वो जाते हैं. But I'm just telling you some set of values which we have been inherited with.
Okay.
That is what comes. Clothing is one of the most important. White shirt, can I ask you that white shirt क्यों पहनते हैं जब भी interviews में जाते हैं लोग?
I think that has to do something with the color.
That has to do something with, of course, the color.
White, light blue. These are considered like formal colors.
Non-judgmental color.
Okay. Okay.
White जब भी कोई पहनता है ना, तो जिसे कहते हैं ना कि it gives you that sort of concrete thing कि okay, now off to work types.
Yeah.
So clothing is fourth factor. Fifth, the most important factor, connectivity.
Okay.
I think that would be the easiest form. Cohesion होता है वैसे तो. मेरे डैड मुझसे कहते हैं कभी भी किसी से बिगाड़ के नहीं रखनी चाहिए. Try your level best to connect with people who are good for you. Always go with people who prove their words into action. Like suppose there would be people who would just be blabbering about themselves, blabbering about their cars, blabbering about their house, blabbering about their money. But little do we know that from inside they're nothing.
Yeah.
Simply nothing.
Yeah. So you gave these 5 components of personality development. कितने लोग actual में have a good personality on an average? अगर इंडिया की बात करें तो।
जो लोग अपनी बात सही मायने में रख सकते हैं,
हाँ.
मेरे लिए they have a good personality. It doesn't need to go with only English. Like मेरे मामू हैं, उनको इंग्लिश नहीं आती प्रॉपरली,
ओके,
तो बट मेरी मामी ऑन द अदर हैंड बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी है इंग्लिश में.
ओके,
सो माय मामू इज सो कॉन्फिडेंट कि वो हिंदी में ही, जैसे होता है ना सारे बिजनेस अफेयर्स डीलिंग्स करना, वो हिंदी में ही सब कुछ करते हैं, एंड यू नो एट द टॉप मोस्ट लेवल.
and it's just a language. मतलब if you are able to communicate,
not a measure of your
it doesn't matter.
intelligence.
Yeah, it definitely helps if you are good in English. लेकिन it's just a language at the end of the day. मतलब it's nothing to be ashamed of कि अगर आपको नहीं आती.
Perfectly. I think it's given too much of importance because it is globally accepted.
Also because we have this colonial influence on India. अच्छा, तो मैं पूछता हूँ कि like I'm sitting in front of you and I've been talking with you like एक घंटे से, I think. अगर मेरी personality सारे 5 parameters को लेकर rate करनी हो, and how can I improve?
The positive is I really liked your sitting style. The way you were sitting upright, your shoulders were upright and you were like
thanks
straight.
To the gym, thanks to my weight training sessions. I used to slouch पहले during school. मतलब teachers were like, शरद तू ऐसे क्यों चल रहा है? मैं ऐसे बैठता था ऐसे. लेकिन फिर weight training करने के बाद अपने आप ही shoulders पीछे हो गए.
The posture is the most attractive thing. It stimulates people. So one is posture, which is correct if in terms of physical, if I have to talk.
Yeah.
And secondly, I don't know if to say that or not. People say that you should not wear. पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों होता है, मतलब रोडीज में भी होता है, स्प्लिट्सविला में, हर ये जो है या
प्लेन होनी चाहिए. मैंने ये यार,
how do you?
I'll tell you. मतलब this was gifted by my mom. मतलब I don't personally like these t-shirts जिन पे कुछ भी लिखा होता है ना.
It's really nice.
मैं solid t-shirts ही पहनना पसंद करता हूँ, लेकिन this was gifted. And secondly, मेरे पास कपड़े प्रेस हुए नहीं पड़े हुए थे. एक शर्ट थी and उसकी फिटिंग बहुत गंदी थी.
So this is really nice. But यहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि public platform
you feel it's not suitable. Yeah, got it.
For the platform, it feels like you are promoting the brand. Feels like.
Okay.
जैसे आप सुपर ड्राई प्रमोट कर रहे हो, it's by far my favorite brand, nothing to do with that. So firstly I was talking about your posture. Positive एक हो गया और एक negative हो गया. Again, one more thing positive, that you were not irritated by the initial negative things about me, like I was behaving in such an informal manner. So you were concrete and you were listening to me, being a good listener. Second thing is that. And negative thing which I felt that at times you go in your zone. Is that true?
Yeah, it is. Like
I think ये चीज मेरे साथ होती थी but अब नहीं होती.
जब मैं सुन रहा हूँ, मैं साथ के साथ सोच रहा हूँ कि अगला क्वेश्चन मैं इसके बेसिस पे क्या पूछूं,
फ्रेम क्या करूं.
Yeah, I'm in that zone कि इसको एक अच्छे फ्लो में कैसे लेके जाऊं.
And thirdly, a lot of positive vibes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It was such optimistic when you were just seeing someone on the screen and it's just like a smile and then questioning. It made me comfortable as a human being, as a person.
Thank you.
That was positive vibes. A big thumbs up.
अच्छा, तो you are an English teacher, right? You teach business correspondence. अगर मैं अपनी बात करूं तो studied in an English medium school और मुझे अच्छी इंग्लिश लिखनी आती है, लेकिन I feel because यहाँ पर पंजाब में, लुधियाना में, खासकर मेरे घर में या मेरे आसपास में, I don't have people to speak in English with, right? तो I tend to think in Punjabi. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत बड़ा बैरियर बन जाता है. I need to convert this Punjabi to English और उतने टाइम में conversation निकल जाती है. I don't lack confidence, I don't lack thoughts, लेकिन I lack the ability to put those thoughts into words. मेरे जैसे और भी बहुत लोग होंगे जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं. How he or she and how can I improve that?
Slow and steady wins the race. There's no pill of English. You can have it and the other day you're just blabbering English. It's a process over a period of time and it takes time. It's just because we think that यार मैं English के ना कोई classes लगा लूँ, मैं English ना कहीं से सीख लूँ. I think it's a inbuilt process.
Okay.
There's a ebook also. I would like to promote that.
Yeah.
There's an ebook. There's an ebook which I have written. In that, I have given 5 techniques. Like one technique is when you go on with connecting with pictures.
Okay.
Suppose I have given the first picture as R. INR का sign.
Okay.
So with R sign, I have given 5 difficult words.
Okay.
That the picture is R. Whenever I see a 100 rupee note or a 200 rupee note, I'm going to revise that. जब तस्वीरों को हम लोग सोचते हैं और उससे हम लोग शब्द डिराइव करते हैं अपने आप. मैं आपको देखूं और आपको देखकर अगर मैं शब्द डिराइव करूं तो होगा कॉन्फिडेंट, होगा एम्बिवर्ट, होगा गुड लिसनर, होगा मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, होगा गुड डिलीवरेंस. तो मैं आपको देखकर ये वर्ड्स डिराइव कर रही हूँ. सेम मैं एक बेड को देखकर वर्ड्स डिराइव करूँ. सेम आप अगर किचन में जाते हैं तो किचन में आप स्पाइसेस सोचिए. जब भी आप चाय बना रहे हैं, कुछ भी बना रहे हैं, तो सोचिए दैट व्हाट इज इलायची नोन इन इंग्लिश? कार्डमम. या बहुत सारी छोटी माइन्यूट डिटेल्स है जो हम लोगों को, मुझे लगता है, रियल लाइफ से कनेक्ट करना बहुत जरूरी है. पीपल से अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, oh it's very tasty, you very fat, instead of avoid the word very. The food is delicious. You are stimulating. So avoiding the word very.
Is your ebook free?
No, it's not free. मुझे 6 महीने लगे हैं शायद इसको बिल्डअप करने में.
Alright.
इसको एडिट करने में, इसके ऊपर सिक्योरिटी डालने में. और मैंने बहुत सोचा should I give it for free. Whenever people go on for free, वैल्यू खत्म हो जाती है वहां पर चीजों की.
Yeah, agreed. So what I'll do is I'll link it in the description. जिसको भी चाहिए होगा, you can pay and get the ebook. You talked about your heartbreaks. What did your heartbreaks teach you?
See, everywhere I'm confident. Everywhere, in every aspect I'm confident, but whenever it comes about this thing, I don't know, I lack words. I lack sentiments, or I have that sort of dreadfulness inside me that people will judge me.
Okay.
I have that. I think I'm working upon it. It'll take some time and I'll be able to get over it. I'm not saying that move on or sab kuch aisa. I don't want to use those cliche words, but I think it's for my own improvement.
Okay.
That this is something I don't talk about generally to anyone.
Okay.
Because I feel whenever I talk about something like कि बहुत ही normal भाषा में कहते हैं ना कि, do you get it? Do you get the word?
Yeah.
अच्छा, इसके साथ भी अब ऐसा हो गया, nothing new.
Yeah.
But I was the best version of myself. I believe at that moment of time. I was always giving. But कहते हैं ना कि जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. So I have accepted. People think कि मेरी life खत्म हो गई, शायद दोबारा चली जाऊँ मैं, blah blah blah, all sort of cliche things. Is it worth it?
Yeah.
After few years, after 5 years or after 2 years down the line, is it going to be worth it?
Yeah.
If the answer comes in your head, it's a no. Don't do it. दो ही चीजें हैं. अगर आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हो तो स्ट्रेस करो, कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते तो स्ट्रेस मत करो.
Perfect. You also talked about your friends.
Yeah.
So
Nana and Gauri.
Tell me something about your relationship with them.
We developed our relationship back then in the college itself. There's nothing like कि ऐसा स्कूल से था, but college से ही था. और नाइट स्टे जब किया तो रात को बहुत सारी बातें, जिसे कहते हैं ना, इमोशनली बाहर निकल के आती हैं. तो जब नाइट स्टे किया तब से we kind of developed this bond, which is, touch wood, really pious. Because we all are attached to our families.
Okay.
Like they know my family and I know their family. So it's like even at 3 a.m. if I have to have some friend or if I have to call them up, I know they'll pick up my call. और मेरे साथ ऐसा बहुत बारी हुआ है that you feel down and you need someone. So you will call them up and you're like, हाँ यार हमेशा तेरे लिए बोल आगे बोल. They will never be like, यार मुझे नींद आ रही है. अपना comfort छोड़कर दूसरों को deliverance देना.
Amazing.
Because they are there.
Perfect. So what is your current state of mind? Are you happy?
Very happy. But मैं बता रही हूँ honestly, पूरा दिन it's really happy. मुझे लगता है I've been so much blessed to have family like this. Over pampered, हर चीज मिल रही है. But जैसे gradually we move towards the night, and when you have to switch off your phone, when all the classes are done, when you're done for the day, तब बहुत सारे thoughts, they come and go. That is the time when I need to realize I feel low at that moment of time, and that's just for I would say flash of minutes.
Do you think about the past or are you worried about your future at that time?
Both. कि मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया या ऐसा कर लेती तो ऐसा हो जाता. Just self-analyzing, your SWOT analysis.
Yeah.
And then I feel a little bad. And then वो अपने आप charging ऊपर चली जाती है जब नींद आ जाती है.
Do you cry in front of people? No, you don't. You keep things to yourself.
I'm one such. Yeah, I'm a little bit secretive in that manner.
Okay.
Crying makes you weak. People say that. I don't believe in it, but कहीं ना कहीं वो मेरे दिमाग में जैसे कहते हैं ना एक hammer कर चुकी है वो चीज. Ingrain हो चुकी है that अगर मैं रोऊंगी people would think that I'm weak. ऐसे ऐसे होता है ना और मैं फटाफट से I go in my washroom and then I cry a lot and then I wash my face and then I come out like oh blah blah like a diva कि कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है जैसे कि. So I am secretive in that manner.
And how do you pray?
Praying for me is like listening to Guruji's bhajan.
Okay.
And जब मुझे लगता है कि सब कुछ गलत हो रहा है या मेरे से कोई गलती हुई है, when I go in terms of being pessimistic, being negative, so I always plug in my earphones and always go with some good bhajan. और ऐसा नहीं है, कभी-कभी मैं मम्मा बड़ी खुश होती हैं, शाम को मैं जोत भी जलाती हूँ. तो मम्मा इज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड कि आज जब ऐसे कुछ चाहिए होता है जैसे वेबिनार आने वाला हो या ऐसा कुछ हो, भगवान जी प्लीज मैंने बहुत मेहनत करी है मैंने बहुत मेहनत करी है आज तो मैं जोत भी जला रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट बिहेविंग लाइक अ गुड गर्ल, सो प्लीज मुझे वो चीजें दे देना जो मैं डिजर्व करती हूँ.
अगर जिंदगी में एक चीज करनी हो वो क्या चीज है?
जिंदगी में एक चीज की होनी चाहिए कि जब आप जा रहे हो तो लोग आपके जाने पर रोए ना हंसे. They should be happy with the fact that this person has gone with giving a lot of virtues, with giving a lot of values to the people around her or him.
Okay.
जैसे मेरे दादाजी जब गए थे तो there were a lot of people who were happy. Okay. Because वो बहुत दान देते थे. बहुत दान देते थे कि अच्छा ही करके गए हैं तो अच्छा. He was an army man.
Okay.
अच्छा ही करके गए. तो I want to be like that कि जब मैं जाऊं तो people should not cry. People should be like हाँ जो करके गई है अच्छा करके गई है. अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज निभा कर जाऊं.
Perfect. Thank you so much भव्या for taking out the time.
Thank you so much.
आज बात करके कैसा लगा?
सच बताऊं तो मेरे को कहीं भी ऐसा नहीं लगा that I am talking to someone who is a stranger or I am talking to someone who I have not even met. You made your viewers comfortable. You made your guests, as in me, comfortable in terms of speaking. So that was something which I really admire about you.
Thank you.
That is something rare.
एक बार subscribers के लिए अपील करता हूँ.
They know the fact that I am here. It's a huge thing that I am here. First of all, if you genuinely liked it, I'm not saying कि बस like करो बोल रही हूँ. If you genuinely like the content, like it and subscribe it. And this is a rare combination of all the personalities which I have in front of me. So please subscribe him. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. बन गया शायद. Wow.